Here are a few questions we are going to discuss. So it's IGCSE grade 9. Okay. Algebra part we will discuss. So let's discuss that one. What is the algebra? Its content is clear here. Its content is showing what is the algebra part. Okay. That is also shown here. Algebra is a branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and the rule of manipulating those symbols. So these help us describing the relationship pattern and solve the problem where number are known. So examples here 5 plus x equal to 12. So we need to what? We need to subtract 5 here and this side also 5 here. So this will be x equal to what? 7. So this will be our answer. And let's see the question number, this one, algebraic expression. What is the term here? Term is a combination of constant, variables, and coefficients. So these are the called terms. And like terms having the same variable part. Like here, you will see the examples like 3x and 5x. They are the like terms. And this is a different term. So like terms are here added. Their coefficient will be added here. It's a 3 plus 5, that is a 8 minus 2. So they are the coefficient, and these are the like terms. Like this one is a term, this is a term, this is term. So these are the three different terms. Plus and minus is separate in different terms. Here is how many terms? Here is a one term, two term, three term, four term. Here are four terms. So what is a like term? So A and A, they have the same alphabets, so they are the like term. And 3b and 5b, so this is different like term. So same like term are added. So 4x minus 2x, that will be 2a, and here is a 3b plus 5b, this will be added, so it will be 8b. So it will be simplified very easily. I hope you can solve this. And the factorizing expression, reverse of the expanding, how can you reverse them? So these are the some basic rules where we are going to solve that one. So let's see. And taking out the highest common factor for the same for SCF. So factorizing this one, what is a common here? It says 6 and 9. What is a common? Which number divide both? Which is the highest number which divides 6 and 9? So 3 can divide both one. So we can take 3 as a common, and 3 divide when the 6x, so 2x will be remaining. And when you divide 9 by 3, so it will be 3. So common is a 3. In this way we can take the common. And factorizing this number for you. So which number can take divide highest number divide 4 and 12? So 4 can divide this number and this number also. So we can write 4, and here you can retain y. It's a y plus 3. Because when you divide 4 by 4, so only this will be y is remaining, and when you divide by 4, so it will be 3 ja. So we can write like this, and this is a plus. So in this way we can take the commons. And what about solving the linear equation? Our goal is to solve the linear equation. It's the very fundamental things. So we can do that. Okay. Let's solve that. Isolate the variable on one side of the equation and perform the same operation on both the side. Like here you can see what operation we can do. We have to first cancel out. So we have to do the minus 3, and here is a minus 3. So it will be 2x, and when we subtract 11 minus 3, it will be 8. And then we have to find the value of x, so we have to divide here 2, and this side is also 2. So we will get x, and this side it will be 4. So our answer is x minus 4. Our answer is x minus 4. And practice these questions also. So first we need to transpose this side. So it will be 5x minus 3x, and this is subtracted to this side. So it will be 4 plus 2. So this is a 2x, and this is a 6. So x equal to, it's divided by 2 here, and this x is also divided by 2. So we will get here 3. So this is the answer. We can solve like this. Algebraic formula, substitute the value into given formula. How can you substitute? We have a formula A equal to L into W. Find the A when L equal to 5 and W equal to 3. When you put that there, we will get 15. So we have to just multiply. So A equal to L equal to 5 and place up there is into, so W is here 3. So that is multiply. So it will be 15. Like that, C equal to 2 pi R. Find the C where R equal to 7. So C equal to 2 into pi 22 by 7, and this is also 7. When you put there, so it will be 44. 22 into 2, it will be 44. So this will be the answer. Word problems. How can you go for the word problems? Again, translate word into equation and solve step by steps. A number is increased by 5 is 12. When a number, let the number is x and increase by 5, so plus 5 equal to 12. That is written. And so x equal to 7 here. Minus 5 is here and minus 5 is here. So minus 5 is x remaining and 12 minus 5 it's 7. I hope that's clear. And twice a number minus 3 equal to 8. Let the number is x. Twice means multiply by 2. Minus 3 equal to 11. So this is the equation. And how can you solve them? We have to subtract, add both sides. So it will be 2x equal to 11 plus 3. That is 14. So x equal to 14 by 2. That is 7. So this will be the answer. Okay. So quiz type. What is a quiz time? Let's solve this one as a quiz time. Simplify 2x minus 2x plus 4. So this is like term, so they are subtracted. So it will be 3x plus 4. And when you factorize, expand, 4 is a multiply here. So 4x, and again 4 is a multiply in 3. So that is minus 12. And what is the factorization of 8 plus 12? So 4 is divided, 4 is taken common. 4 is divided here is of 2y, and 4 is divided in this part 4 by 12 by 4, so plus 3. So this is LCM. And here equal to, it's 3x equal to 16 minus 7. And we can write 9. So 3x equal to 9. So x equal to 3. Like that. And here is a equal to 8 and h equal to 5. When you put here 1 by 2, b equal to 8 and h equal to 5. So 2 4 ja, and 4 into 5, that is 20. So these are the answer. Summary. So in algebra is about pattern, expression and solving equations. Key skills like simplifying, expanding, factorizing, solving, substituting. So these are the some topics we have discussed. If you have any question, just comment me below and let me know. And if you want a free demo class, you can just WhatsApp me on this number, or you can visit this site brillianttutor.com. So thank you so much guys. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel.